Hi, my name is Akim Walam. Really, I'm South Sudanese. My tribe from South Sudan is Nuer, really Nuer indeed. Both my parents and my mom, they are Nuer. For the process that led me to come in Ethiopia, by the time I think the whole world know that the South Sudan is now in a conflict. Within that conflict that broke out since 2013, it led me to come to Ethiopia. Within this manner, by the time we are living separately with my fathers or with my dad. My dad is living in the capital city of South Sudan, which is Juba, and we are living from Afnal state, which is Malakal. Within that manner, by the time when the war broke out in South Sudan, my father is there, as I told you, and we were in Malakal. During that time, we met up to meet with our fathers because the war have already broke out and the Malakal town is already get to be a field war. We leave the Malakal and we come to Nathar, which is a county. Within that time, when we come to Nathar, we face a lot of challenges because we have no good shelter and we even lose our lot of material really. By the time we do have car, but when we come to Nathar, we lose our car. Within that time, the situation, even the way that we can survive for food and clothes, it is really too hard within that time. Within that manner, the UNHCR came to our village or to border of South Sudan and Ethiopia, which is Burabie. Within that manner, they start registration for helping those who have been escaped from Malakal and Nathar. Within that time, we come to that area and we have registered. From that 13 up to now, we have been fly from Burabie to this camp. Now I'm living in this camp since 2014 on June 13, really. That was the right time that we have been here. Even now I'm still here, and now I start my education since 2014 from grade 8 and now I'm grade 12 student. As we depart since when the war broke out, we have a long time that without communicating with him, but recently, because we keep praying that telling God, oh help us, because we know that you are the fathers who can care for each of soul in this world. Recently from 2018, we found him by communication with airline or with telephone. We communicate with him, he said that I'm alive, and now we do hope that he is alive because every age of us, I and my brother, even my mom, we talk to him.
Do you want to go back to your country, to South Sudan?
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah, I really think to go back, but I cannot even go back for now. I need to do something because in the past we have no educated people. That is why we really misunderstand the word leadership. Because if our leadership know that being in position doesn't mean that you can prolong for a long period of time without change, they cannot do that. Because the way of illiterate is highly increasing in our country. I can't even try to have a good skill or proportional work that I can do as like now I'm thinking to be doctor for God's will. If I will do that, I will go to my country with full of knowledge.
What do you think about the peace of South Sudan by this time?
Yeah, if the world will go on to try its labor base, I hope that our country can be in a peaceful manner. But if they will choose some polarity, we will not go back at all because
do you think that you may have some role in stabilizing South Sudan?
Yeah.
What would be your role?
Yeah, actually now I'm still I have no good level that I can even try to organize something that the people can understand, but for God's will in the future, if I will going to be doctor, I will show my country the way that they can live in a peaceful manner, because the peace is the key of civilization. If you lose peace, you lose everything. My future goal is when I complete the learning process, like if I graduate from university, I will find a better job that I can survive for myself, because I really suffer because I lose a lot of things. By the time we do have a lot of material, but when the war broke out, we lose that whole thing. Now I'm living in this camp. The situation really, it is very tit for tat indeed, because we have no a lot of things that we cannot even say by the word. But after that, if I will go to complete my university or my bachelor degree for God's will, I will work with a good job that can help me to forget what happened in the past. And after that, if I will go into life as the God will keep my soul safe, I will show my people that democracy is the better way that we can build our country, and it is the only key that we can come up with good idea and supply it life. If I can't even get the floor or a chance for being a president, I can't even do that, because what I have already seen in South Sudan is really amazing. It is like what happened in the Rwanda for last some many years ago. Yeah, I can't even do good thing in every corner of this world. Not only in my country, I can't even do good for the whole world.